Behind every thrilling sports moment, whether it's the Super Bowl, World Cup, or a major championship game, are the masterminds driving the strategy, management, and innovation that make it all possible. Summer Discovery gives you the chance to step into this exciting world, turning your love for sports into a rewarding career in sports management. Summer Discovery programs in sports management are available at UCLA and UCLA Anderson School of Management, University of Michigan, the University of Texas in Austin, Real Madrid Graduate School in Spain, and more. Explore the impact that sports have on the global economy and local communities. Sports management students delve into ticket sales, broadcasting rights, sponsorships, and more. At the Real Madrid Graduate School, they explore European sports and leagues, using the Real Madrid Football Club as a case study to analyze its role in fostering community and social integration. Off-campus visits to iconic venues offer first-hand insight into multi-million-dollar arena management. At UCLA Anderson, students learn from professors, industry leaders, and professional athletes such as basketball player DeAndre Jordan. Students will tour top facilities, including SoFi Stadium and Dodger Stadium. In Austin, students explore Darrell K. Royal Stadium, while at the University of Michigan, guest lecturers like Dan Lefton, CRO of the Detroit Pistons, provide invaluable insights. Across all these programs, students are challenged, inspired, and immersed in the dynamic world of sports management. Simply put, Summer Discovery Sports Management Program is unmatched when it comes to access to professionals, facilities, and a broad range of courses. This summer, get a head start on your future career in sports management while getting a first-hand experience of campus life with Summer Discovery. Learn more at summerdiscovery.com.